Hey there, Lauren with Big Cartel Support here to take you through the Your Shop portion of the account section in your shop's admin. First, we can start with this cute little eye icon right here. This is a great way to view your shop while you're working in your shop's admin. It'll take you right to your storefront so you can see how things are looking, and you can just X out of that tab and you'll be taken right back to your shop's admin. This little switch here is a way to turn on maintenance mode in your shop. This allows you to make changes behind the scenes while your shoppers will just see a maintenance mode page. If you want to turn it on, click the yellow button. If not, just click cancel and your shop will stay live. Now let's edit some of your shop info. Here we have your shop URL. This is essentially the portion that appears before the big.bigcartel.com portion of your URL. This is something that we will only let you change to something that is available. So if I wanted to change it to Indie Shop is Rad, our system will let you know if that's available or not. I'm going to keep it at Indie Shop because that's my shop name and I really like it. Now, if I wanted to add a custom domain, I absolutely could. This isn't something that we're going to cover today, but adding a custom domain is a way that you can really keep your shop name front and center and is something that you can use on any of our paid plans. Moving on, we have the Google Analytics option. This is also an option on any of our paid plans, and if you're really into shop stats, Google Analytics is a great way to see where your visitors are coming from, what pages they spend their time on. Really, there are just so many ways you can use Google Analytics to really get the most information from your visitors and what they're doing. We have a video coming up of that. It's really not something that I would consider covering in this short take, but definitely keep an eye out for that in the future. Next, we have your shop's country. You can choose from the drop-down menu where you're located. Since I'm located in the United States, I'm going to keep it at that. And up next, we have time zone. Now, you might not think setting your time zone would be that important, but once you start using discount codes, this becomes super important. Let's say you have ravenous shoppers just clamoring to use a discount code when you're having a big drop of new products or a flash sale for a holiday or something happening in your shop to celebrate. And you want to make sure that no one is able to use that discount code until a certain time. So you want to make sure you have this set to your time zone so that when you set the time on that discount code, it's valid for when the clock ticks midnight in your time zone or whatever time you want to set it for, so that it's fair all around. Finally, you can set the currency here. We usually recommend setting, of course, your home country's currency, but sometimes you can, if you wanted to choose something that's more widely accepted, you could choose that as well. Not to worry if your shoppers hail from outside of your home country, they will see an adjusted rate with their own currency in the final steps of checkout and PayPal or on their credit card statement if they use Stripe. Just be sure to click Save and all those changes will stick. Finally, I just want to bring your attention to the customized design section here. This is its own video all in and of itself because this is a way you can really make your shop your very own, and keep an eye out for it in the future. Thanks so much for hanging with me today. Again, my name is Lauren, and if you ever need any help, please reach out to us at support@bigcartel.com or just click the little chat bubble here in your admin, and a friendly member of our support team will be there to help as soon as we can.